Welcome to episode 62 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be showing some 3-note chord shapes. And they're really good, especially when playing fingerstyle, because it leaves you other fingers free to do things like play melodies or passing notes. And they're just good chords to know. They have a very different sound from, say, like an A major bar chord, a big blocky chord, compared to this note. It's the same chord. It's still an A major. It has the 3 notes that make up any chord, any major or minor chord. But you don't get the big block feeling, and sometimes you don't need that. So these are really good to know, and you can think of them as being based on a bar chord if you know a bar chord. So if you play that A major bar chord, instead of playing the whole thing, use your thumb to play the root, which is on the E string. Play the 3rd, which is on the G string, and the 5th, which is on the B string. That's a fine A major bar chord, or A major chord. I'm going to show then a minor chord. It's a B minor, it's a C sharp minor, it's a D major. So instead of going, which have a very particular sound, there's this. It's a really nice, to me it's a really nice sound. I really like the sound of this. And especially if you're playing like a really delicate melody, you don't need to have this massive big block chord there. You can use these shapes instead. So again, it's based on the bar chord, and right now I'm just playing the low E string, the G string, and the B string. So think about doing your bar chord, but only play those 3 notes. And you can play them like this, with your middle finger on the bass, or you could bar them actually, even though you're still playing just those 3 notes. Leaves your fingers free to do things like that kind of thing. So those are those are major and minor shapes on the lowest string with your bass, your root note on the low E string. The same chords now with the root on the A string is like this. So it's based on that A chord, but you're only playing in the A string, the B string, and the E string. That's the major chord there. That's a minor. So based on a B minor chord, it's playing on the A string, the B string, and the E string. You're barring, or you can play like this. C sharp minor, D major. Like that. So again, compared to the bar chords. Once again. Like this. I really love the sound of these chords. To me, they're just very open. They give you that harmony, but they give you a lot of space to play any other notes you might want to throw in there. And it's also a nice way to kind of, if you're playing a melody, like that's like Lean on Me, you know. It's a nice way to kind of, it makes it very melodic, and to my mind, rather than play this instead. It's a lot easier to slide between 2. Like that. So these are good things just to get used to. So when it comes time to play an A major up here, you have the choice between doing the big bar chord or a chord like this. And then, or B minor, C sharp, D major, C sharp minor, B minor, A major. And again down here, A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, C sharp minor, B minor, A major. And that works for any chord. Just find where your root is and whether you want the major or minor. So hope this is useful to you. Thanks as always for watching.